Namaste everyone. Welcome to Swar, the voice of jewelers, where we dive into the latest updates from the fashion, gems and jewelry industry. I'm Swara, the world's first AI anchor in the gems, jewelry and fashion industry by Swar Media Network. Meanwhile, as the markets and policies shape the backdrop, the jewelry world is glittering with fresh trends, innovations and breathtaking designs. Let's explore the latest trends, updates, and insights with the Indian gems and jewelry news. The Government of India has officially revised the import duty structure on precious metals with effect from 13th May 2026. As per the latest customs notifications issued by the Ministry of Finance, the effective import duty on gold and silver has been increased to 15%, comprising 10% basic customs duty and 5% AIDC. Meanwhile, platinum imports will now attract an effective duty of 15.4%, including 10% basic customs duty and 5.4% AIDC. The revised duty structure is expected to impact bullion imports, domestic pricing, and overall sentiment across the gems and jewelry industry. As per GJEPC's latest report, India's gold jewelry demand dropped 19% year-on-year to 66.1 tons in Q1 2026 due to record high prices, even as spending rose 47% to INR 99,920 crore. Investment demand surged, overtaking jewelry consumption, signaling a shift toward value-conscious buying and alternative gold investment avenues. Kamakhya Jewels Gold Outlook 2026, organized by Manoj Kumar Jha in Mumbai, projected a 15 to 20% correction in gold prices amid global macro pressures and shifting demand trends. The forum was attended by Chief Guest Anil Singhvi along with industry stalwarts. Discussions highlighted near-term volatility in gold, supported by central bank buying and geopolitical uncertainties, while emphasizing strategic positioning over speculation. Swar Gems partnered as the official trophy sponsor for Taekwondo Premier League Season 2 in Hyderabad, recognizing standout athletes. The high-energy competition reflected the brand's association with excellence, focus, and emerging sports talent. Dholakia lab-grown diamond has raised over 800 crore rupee, led by Abacus PE and ICICI Ventures, marking a major bet on India's fast-growing lab-grown diamond segment. The funds will expand production, retail presence, and deep-tech diamond applications, strengthening its integrated, sustainability-focused business model. India's gem and jewelry sector received a significant skilling boost with the unveiling of the Indian Institute of Gems and Jewelry in Udupi by the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, reinforcing efforts towards innovation and employment generation. PC Chandra Jewelers has launched the Vision Nari Awards, an initiative aimed at recognizing and celebrating women who are driving impact across fields such as entrepreneurship, sports, and social change. Jose Alucas has launched Second Sunrises, a 6-episode storytelling podcast that highlights women rebuilding their lives after separation or divorce, aiming to spark open conversations around remarriage and new beginnings. Senco Gold and Diamonds has launched a new campaign to promote its DigiGold and DigiSilver platforms, focusing on the ease, accessibility, and convenience of investing in digital precious metals. Now speaking about the world of international gems and jewelry news, De Beers reported a sharp rise in rough diamond sales in early 2026 after reducing prices for smaller stones, with volumes and revenues increasing significantly in the first quarter. Rio Tinto and Angola's state-owned diamond company Endiama have formed a joint venture named Sociedade Minerado Chiri to develop a new diamond mine in the Lunda Sul region, marking a significant step in developing the country's eastern mining sector. Shawmeet has unveiled its latest high jewelry collection, A Journey Through Nature, presenting 46 creations that reinterpret botanical landscapes, spices, and natural elements through rare gemstones and intricate craftsmanship. Louis Vuitton has unveiled its Mythica high jewelry collection, drawing on mythology, nature, and symbolism to craft statement pieces. Featuring bold gemstones and intricate design, the collection blends storytelling with exceptional craftsmanship, reinforcing the house's evolving creative direction in high jewelry. Monica Vinader has entered the engagement jewelry segment with the launch of its MV Siren Diamond collection, introducing a proprietary diamond cut. Harry Winston's 718 Marble Marquetry collection draws inspiration from the black and white marble interiors of its Fifth Avenue flagship, translating architectural design into high jewelry through geometric motifs and diamond set compositions. Botswana has launched a 60 Years of Diamond Leadership initiative, signaling a strategic shift from resource extraction to broader economic and cultural impact. The program links diamonds with sport, tourism, and creative industries, while strengthening local value addition, provenance, and downstream growth across the global diamond ecosystem. Chopard has introduced its 2026 Miracles High Jewelry collection, shifting focus from grand statements to the beauty of fleeting everyday moments. Inspired by light, color, and nature, the pieces emphasize intricate craftsmanship, ethical gold, and vibrant gemstones, redefining modern red carpet elegance. Now, let's turn to the latest in Indian fashion news. Raymond Group is advancing its luxury pivot under Gautam Singhania with the launch of Chairman's Collection flagship in Mumbai. The move signals a strategic shift from its fabric-led legacy toward a broader luxury lifestyle positioning, centered on design, craftsmanship, and premium retail experiences. Reliance Retail has acquired Anomaly, strengthening its push into the fast-growing beauty and personal care segment. The deal includes full ownership of brand assets, with plans to scale through omni-channel retail and expand both domestic and global reach. Ajio Rush has significantly expanded its quick commerce fashion service to over 600 cities, rapidly scaling its 4-hour apparel delivery model across India. Glitches on Myntra FWD has launched a high-energy campaign featuring Carrie Minati, positioning the brand as a bold, Gen Z-focused fashion label that blends humor, digital culture, and expressive style. The campaign uses edgy storytelling and influencer-led content to reinforce fashion as a form of individuality and self-expression among young consumers. The collective has expanded its retail footprint with the launch of its 51st store in Patiala, marking a key milestone in its growth journey. The move reinforces its strategy to bring curated global luxury fashion to emerging markets, catering to India's increasingly aspirational consumers. And lastly, the exciting international fashion news. Milan Design Week 2026 reinforced the city's status as a global design epicenter, spotlighting a shift towards craftsmanship, sustainability, and immersive cross-disciplinary experiences across fashion, interiors, and luxury. Brands including Fendi, Loro Piana, and Buccellati anchored this narrative through heritage-led reinterpretations, ranging from archival revivals and material studies to artisanal installations, underscoring a renewed focus on technique, materiality, and design storytelling. Prada presented a new Kolhapuri-inspired footwear initiative, introducing a limited edition collection crafted in collaboration with Indian artisans and produced in India, marking a shift towards recognizing and integrating traditional craftsmanship. Gucci has launched Gucci Storia, an immersive exhibition in Florence that traces the house's 105-year evolution. Curated under Demna's vision, the multi-room experience blends archival pieces, art, and technology to reinterpret heritage, positioning the brand at the intersection of legacy and reinvention. Calvin Klein has unveiled its Spring 2026 collection campaign under creative director Veronica Leone, featuring candid movement-driven imagery shot by Jürgen Teller that emphasizes minimalism, fluidity, and a refined color palette. Christian Louboutin's Fall-Winter 2026 collection draws inspiration from nature for its women's line, showcasing richly detailed footwear and accessories that reinterpret flora and fauna through craftsmanship and color. Stella McCartney has unveiled its Spring-Summer collection, blending edgy design with sustainable innovation. Featuring studded rock royalty tees, Falabella chain bags, mesh sets, and sharp tailoring, the line reinforces the brand's commitment to conscious materials and modern statement-driven fashion. Amazon has unveiled new AI-driven tools for hiring and supply chain management, advancing its push toward autonomous agent systems. The solutions, introduced via Amazon Web Services, aim to automate recruitment processes and optimize logistics using AI trained on Amazon's own operational data. That's all for today. From the dazzling world of jewelry to the excitement of the glittering gem and jewelry shows, there's always something shining bright. Stay connected with Swar Media Network for more trends, insights, and updates from the world of gems, jewelry, and fashion. I am Swara, world's first AI anchor of the fashion, gems, and jewelry industry by Swar Media Network signing off. Until then, स्वस्थ रहिए, मस्त रहिए, शुभ रात्रि, शभा खैर।